we will discuss what will happen to Earth if humans leave to another planet. Eventually, technological and scientific advancements will reach a point where humans will be able to migrate to a new planet. Even now, some people on Earth have purchased plots of land on the Moon and are ready to leave this planet for another as soon as it is possible. In today's Scientifically video, we will discuss what will happen to the planet Earth when humans move to another planet. To begin with, Earth would go totally dark at night. All of the lights on the planet will be turned off as all of the power stations on the planet begin to close. Due to the disappearance of all human beings from the planet, hydroelectric dams, on the other hand, will continue to run for years, even if humans are no longer around. After around 10 days, all of the world's pets will, unfortunately, begin to pass away due to starvation and thirst. Creatures who manage to escape, such as wild animals kept in zoos and sanctuaries, will be able to survive for a while. The lack of cooling in nuclear power facilities will result in explosions that will alter the global landscape. The satellites in space will begin to fall to Earth after about a year. After 25 years, all of the Earth's pathways and gaps will be filled with greenery, and vegetation will appear in unexpected places. It will resemble a forest, and around 75% of the area will be planted with trees and vegetables. Metal structures and bridges will begin to collapse after roughly 250 years, and dams will begin to fall, allowing water to invade the area. The number of aquatic animals will substantially grow. Only stone structures will be left 10,000 years later. Plastic and glass fragments will exist for 50 million years, then will vanish altogether after another 50 million years. Earth will benefit enormously in the absence of humans, yet humans cannot live without the Earth. This gives you something to think about.